Hey, what are you doing right now? I'm teaching English. What are you doing? Today we are going to have a look at the difference between present simple, I work, I do, I watch, and present continuous, I'm doing, I'm working, I'm watching. Okay, so are you ready? Let's get started. The difference between these two verbal tenses lies in how we use them. Listen to this one. Jim is watching television. He is not playing the guitar. Now, right now. Jim is watching television and he is not playing the guitar. So you can see Jim sitting in front of a TV watching television. But he has a guitar. He just right now is doing something else. He is not playing the guitar now. But if you want to say that he can play the guitar, you can say he plays the guitar. He plays it, he has it, but he is not playing it now. All right, so the difference is we use present simple, he has a guitar and he plays the guitar when we want to speak about something that's general. And we say he is playing the guitar, he is watching the TV, he is listening to his teacher when something is happening at the time of speaking. So you could say, shh, be quiet, I'm studying, because you're studying now, right? I'm studying. Very good. Tom is having a shower at the moment. He is in the bathroom. He's having a shower. All right. It's not raining. It's not raining. You don't need an umbrella. It's not raining. Okay. Or if you are studying, you are not watching the TV, right? Of course you're not, because you are studying. So the difference is present simple, I work, means in general. I'm working right now. Tom has a shower every morning. See, this is a general statement. Tom has a shower every morning. But right now, oh, he's in the bathroom. He is having a shower now. It rains a lot in winter, in general, right? It's a general statement. But if we wanted to say what's the weather like now, we would say, take an umbrella, it's raining. It's raining. Okay. You could say, I don't watch television very often. That's a general statement about your habit. I don't watch television very often. Or you could say, I'm watching television now. Or I'm not watching television at the moment. Good. So, it is important to understand how present continuous is constructed. So, I'm working, you're listening. I'm teaching, you're studying. He is writing, she is reading. We are talking, you are running, they are dancing. See, that's all. That's all you need to remember about the construction of present continuous. There are some verbs, however, that do not really like to be used in present continuous. I call them 01 engineer IT verbs because they are like the 01 code. 01 programming language. So you either like somebody or you don't like them. You cannot say I'm liking. You either love somebody or you don't. You cannot say I'm loving. Except if you are McDonald's. McDonald's is saying that, but it's not really correct. You cannot say I'm needing. You would say I need. Okay, so I call them engineer verbs, but we call them really state verbs, and they do not like to be used in present continuous. So, I know Mary, not I'm knowing Mary. Okay, I understand, not I'm understanding. Good. State verbs are always used in present continuous. See, I don't really think you will have much difficulty here because I know you understand present continuous already. So I'm just going to give you a couple of sentences in present simple, and I'd like you to turn them into present continuous for me, okay? All right. So she drives a bus because she's a bus driver. She drives a bus. And the same sentence in present continuous would be, yes, you're right. Now she is driving a bus. Okay. I'm a runner. I run every day. There you go. And now let's try to create a negative sentence in present continuous, okay? Good. So, I'm a runner. I run every day. In present continuous would be, right now, at this moment, I'm not running. I'm not running. Negative sentence in present continuous. Yes, I'm not running because I'm having a lesson with you. So I'm not running. And you're not running either. You're listening. And you're learning with me. Very good. I'm very proud of you. I'm sure that present continuous is now much more easy and comprehensible. You just need to pay a visit to our website and check some of the exercises that are available there for you. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.